Welcome to Math and Math. Our topics indice and algebraic manipulation. By this video, we are going to find out x about following equation. Let's start. Number 1. (25 cube whole square into 125 equals to 5 to the power x. What can I do? Look, here is 25, here is 125, and here is 5. So best way to make everything like 5. So we need basement 5. So this 25 we can write 25, and 3 into 3 it means 6, because we know 3 to the power m to the power n means a to the power m into n. Hope you understand. A to the power m to the power n, it means a to the power m into n. So we can write 25 to the power 6, because 3 into 2 means 6, into 125 we can write 5 cube. Our ambition to make basement is 5, equals to 5 to the power x. Look, this 25 we can write 5 square and power 6 into 5 cube equals to 5 to the power x. So here 5 to the power 2 to the power 6, it means 5 to the power 12. Reason, 5 to a to the power m to the power n. And here is 5 cube, and here is 5 to the power x. We know a to the power m into a to the power n, it means a to the power m plus n. So we can write here 5 to the power 12 plus 3, and here is 5 to the power x. Okay, now look, this is what? Here is 5 to the power 15, and here is 5 to the power x. So x is 15. Why? We know a to the power m equals to a to the power n, it means basement is same, so power will be equal, m equals to n. So here is x equals to 15. Hope you understand this one. If you have any problem, please make your problem by sentence in comments box. Number 2, here is 2 to the power 5, divide 8 equals to 2 to the power x. Look, this is very easy, just we make concentration in video. 2 to the power 5 divide 8, what can we do? Look, here is base is 2 and here is base is 2. So our ambition to make again base 2 by this manipulation. How? 2 to the power 3, it means 8, so equals to 2 to the power x. And here is 2 to the power 5 minus 3 equals to 2 to the power x, because we know a to the power m divide a to the power n. When base is same, then power, if we divide, it means base is same, in division power become minus, so it will be a to the power m minus n. So same thing, here is power is 5, here is power is 3, so 5 minus 3. So look, here is 5 minus 3 means what? 2, and here is 2 to the power x. So we can write 2 equals to x, so x means 2. Very shortcut way, but very easy way we can solve our problem. Now number 3. In number 3, here is 9 to the power 2x minus 1, and here is 27 power 2x minus 5. So what can we do? Look, 9 and 27 both are divisible by 3. So we can make this one like 3 square means 9, and here is 2x minus 1 equals to 27. We can write 3 cube and balance 2x minus 5. So look, here basement is same, base is same, which is 3, so power will be equal. So 2 into 2, it means 4x. We can write 4x minus 2 equals to, here is 6x minus 15. Okay, so here is 4x minus 6x exchange, so minus 6x equals to minus 15, and minus 2 exchange, it's become plus 2. So here is minus 2x and here is minus 13. If we multiply both sides by 2, sorry, if we divide both sides by 2, so what will come? It means, look, minus 2 and here is minus 2. So this minus cross, 2 and 2 cross, minus minus cross, and 13 divide 2, it means 6.5. So we can write 6 equals to, x equals to 6.5. Very easy. Just we keep concentration about math. So we will solve around 5 math, 3 math done, this one done, this one done, and this one done. Balance to 1. Let's start. If we understand last one, this one also same. Here is 8 to the power x plus 1 equals to 16 to the power x minus 3. So we can write 2 to the power 3, it means 8 into x plus 1, and here is 2 to the power 4 into x minus 3. Okay, now look, here is 2 and here is 2, it means base same, so power will be equal. Here is 3x plus 1 equals to 4 into x minus 3. Here is 3 into x plus 1, so my mistake. So here is 3x plus 3 and here is 4x minus 12. So what can I do? Here is 3x minus 4x equals to minus 12 minus 3. Everything exchange. Look, here is minus x and here is minus 15. So if we divide both sides by minus 1, so x it become 15. Very shortcut way, very easy way we solve our problem. Now next one. Now look, this is the easiest one among this math. Here is 5x cube equals to 320. So look, if we divide both sides by 5, so here is x cube and here is what? Look, 320 divide 5, it means 5 6 are 30, 2 0 4, it means 64. So here is x cube and here is 64. Sorry, here is 64. So what can we do? Look, 64 x cube 64, we can write 4 to the power 3. How? We know 4 into 4 into 4 means 64. Okay, so look, here is power is same, power is 3 and 3. We know a to the power m equals to b to the power m. It means a equals to b, because power, if power same, if both side power same, then base will become equal. So x equals to 4. Our answer is 4. Okay, no more today. We already did 5 math. Next video we will discuss another topics or like these topics. So bye bye, see you.